Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, the main event of the trading week is the US FOMC policy decision. The two-day FOMC policy meeting will likely to be a reiteration that they are poised to taper before the end of the year. Economists will fixate on the updated dot plot forecast to see if any members brought forward a rate hike into the end of 2022. One of the China's biggest real estate developers is struggling to avoid defaulting on billions of dollars of debt, prompting concern about a broader economic fallout and protests by buyers of the unfinished apartments. Evergrande Group appears likely to be unable to repay all of the 572 billion yuan, that is $89 billion, it owes banks and other bondholders, says the financial rating agencies. That might jolt financial markets, but analysts say Beijing is likely to step in to prevent wider damage if Evergrande can't manage an orderly resolution of its debts. Coming to the domestic cues, PLI scheme for auto, telecom packages, and bad bank announcement cheers the market rallied last week, and no significant data or event risk this week. The EM will be dominated by the central banks globally and the FOMC outcome on Thursday at the Asian time. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Moving to the technical analysis, Nifty has witnessed a mild profit booking after hit all-time high of 17,792 levels, and in the coming week, Nifty may expect a continuation of profit booking with support of 17,520, and if it closes below 17,520 on daily basis, further support will be near 17,245 ranges. Bank Nifty looks stronger when compared with Nifty, and Bank Nifty remains in a mixed trade for upside resistance of 38,282 and for the downside support near 36,814 levels. So these are the technical analysis this week. Now let's look into the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,500 strike and for the put side is 17,000 strike. Overall 1500 points band, and the expiry is on 23rd September. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty positive close compared with previous week, which shows call buying. Last week, India VAX tested a low of 9.02 on 16 September, and from there it has increased to 15.65, and on Friday it ended at 15.23 levels, which shows increasing the volatility, and it leads to increasing the option premium. So these are the derivative analysis this week. Now let's hear what are the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy PFC above 141, the target is 149 and the stop loss is 133. By Karnataka Bank above 73.8, the target is 80 and the stop loss is 68. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Nifty future near 17,590, target is 17,520 and the stop loss is 17,669. Based on the option strategy, long strangle, buy Nifty 17,550 put option at 85 and buy 17,650 call option at 65. 23rd September will be the expiry and the total premium is 150, the target is 225 and the stop loss is 75. Now looking into the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net buyers were 6,545.51 crores, and according to the September month, the net buyers of FII are 7,215.39 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net sellers were minus 2,292.49 crores, and according to the September month, the net sellers of DII are minus 1,414.51 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.